What I'm showing you here is a soft close device by Titus. This is what I'm going to be putting in my cabinets in the kitchen for the pots and pans so that the drawers don't make so much noise when they go closed. It's a really solid device and mounts on the inside of the cabinet. This is the spring-loaded device, and here's the trigger that goes to the drawer. And then when this comes in, it trips that trigger like that and pulls the drawer gently shut. Quiet. That's what I like. So there it is. That's the device I'm going to install in my cabinet for the pots and pans. Now, here's another thing I want to point out. I've got a runner here. This is a Bloom drawer runner. What I want to point out is these runners have one side on them that are captive. Now, if you look at that, you can see that there's a raceway or a channel that the wheel runs in. And what that does is it prevents the drawer slide from shifting back and forth and the gap from opening. That'll make it possible for the soft close device to operate or function the best. You could end up with, let's see, here is Bloom runner on the side that is not captive. Now you take a look here and you see there is no channel for the wheel. And so the slide can do like this. I would not put the self-close device on that side if I could help it. But if you can't help it, then do it. So there it is, a little bit of an introduction to what you're going to see in my cabinet and what I've done to get the soft close feature on the pots and pans drawers. Quit all that racket. This is my rollout drawers where I'm going to install the soft close. It's only supposed to be 23 inches wide, but I got 32 inches. I'm going to put those soft close devices in here anyway. Now listen to the racket. Soft close should put an end to that. Here's the captive member on the right side, and I'm going to install the soft close device here. I put a little double-sided Scotch tape on there to hold her in place so I can pilot the holes and then mount it. So what you're going to see here next is me trying to do this left-handed, because I ain't even left-handed, and drill some pilot holes so that I can install the screws. There you see the pilot holes, and I'm going to put them on. That is, I'm going to put the screws in. There you see the screws are in. And here's the trigger. This is what will trip the soft close device and pull the drawer shut. The soft close device has to be lined up right over the top of the trigger has to be right over the top of the soft close device. Now you're going to see it going closed. Let's watch that. Pretty nice, pretty quiet. I kind of like it. Now here's the completed one on the top. Soft close in it, it's pretty quiet. Here we got the bottom one, no soft close. Noisy. Now, this time, you're going to see it with the soft close. Pretty good. I like that soft close feature. I only got one of them in there. The only soft close is on the right side, the captive side. So I hope you see how you can possibly make use of this.